What if you could predict machine efficiency and manage production output expectation? Introducing the Machine Uptime Monitoring Sensor from National Control Devices. With its industrial-grade IP65 enclosure to withstand challenging operational conditions, this versatile device brings a new level of precision and reliability. This sensor supports digital inputs, beam brake sensor, photo eye sensor, current sensor, accelerometer, and magnetometer, with accessible connectors for 2 external probes. With its long-range wireless radio, it ensures seamless communication over extended distances up to 2 miles. This is perfect for remote monitoring of machine performance, providing a holistic view of OEE or overall equipment effectiveness. Our system seamlessly integrates with diverse machinery, capturing real-time data and converting it into actionable insights. Identify bottlenecks that impede production. Optimize resource allocation and streamline processes. Utilize historical data to forecast future trends and plan strategically. Implement proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and optimizing schedules. Here are some of our case studies where Machine Uptime Monitoring Sensor plays a vital role in maximizing production capability in different industries. Textile industry, increased throughput and efficiency through real-time production monitoring. In textile manufacturing, maintaining consistent throughput relies on catching minor slowdowns before they snowball into major delays. Machine uptime monitoring eliminates the guesswork from this process. By providing real-time data on machine activity, cycle times, and downtime events, these sensors pinpoint bottlenecks like material feeding issues or malfunctioning sealing equipment. This allows for immediate corrective actions, ensuring uninterrupted production and consistent textile quality. Steel parts fabrication, minimizing downtime and enhancing material consumption planning. In the parts fabrication industry, particularly in part stamping, manual processes are traditionally used to count the number of parts manufactured and monitor each machine's utilization. This approach is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. By leveraging NCD's machine uptime sensors, users can now calculate the number of parts manufactured in real time and project the total manufacturing output accurately. This real-time data enables better planning and efficient material consumption. Moreover, the machine uptime sensor facilitates scheduled preventative maintenance, which significantly minimizes downtime and helps avoid catastrophic breakdowns. This proactive maintenance approach ensures that production continues uninterrupted and prevents the wastage of expensive materials due to unforeseen equipment failures. The benefits are clear: enhanced production efficiency and cost savings through improved planning and reduced downtime. Apparel manufacturing, enhanced supply chain visibility and optimized resource allocation. The apparel industry juggles a complex web of interconnected processes. Without real-time production data, inefficiencies can easily arise. Machine uptime monitoring sensors act as a window into the entire production process, providing granular visibility into each stage: cutting, sewing, finishing, and everything in between. This data empowers managers to make data-driven decisions regarding resource allocation. For instance, if a bottleneck in the cutting department is identified, resources can be shifted from other areas to optimize production flow and prevent delays cascading throughout the supply chain. These case studies showcase the power of machine uptime monitoring across industries. Don't let downtime disrupt your operations. See how our solution can empower you to achieve peak production efficiency. Visit our website or contact us today to discuss your specific needs.